Hi, the following short presentation will discuss the 9 DOT hazard classes. These hazard classes can be found in 49 CFR of the US DOT hazmat regs. And as we can see, there's 9 hazard classes and 3 packing groups. One is the most, Roman numeral 1 is the most dangerous material, Roman numeral 3 is the least. Hazard class 1 has 6 divisions. Hazard class 2 has 3 divisions. Flammable liquids, hazard class 3, you can see the number 3 in the bottom of the label. That is based on the flash point of the liquid having a flash point of below 140. Packing groups are determined using both boiling point and flash point. Division 4.1, these are flammable solids which could be ignited through friction. 4.2 are pyrophoric materials, spontaneously combustible materials which can ignite when they come into contact with air. 4.3, these are materials that are dangerous when wet, materials that could ignite when they touch water, or even vapor or even moisture in the atmosphere could have a division 4.3 material ignite. 5.1 and 5.2 are oxidizers, meaning that they contribute oxygen to a material and can cause combustion. So certainly an oxidizer coming into contact with a combustible material like gasoline or diesel fuel could cause a major explosion. (5.2) are organic peroxides. These too will react violently with combustible materials, but these materials can also self-ignite without touching anything, just by simply reaching their self-accelerating decomposition temperature. Let's take a quick look at a video which illustrates one material with a very low self-accelerating decomposition temperature.
What started them on their way to violent decomposition was exposure to elevated temperatures. This particular product must be stored below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. These containers were not. They were, in fact, allowed to reach the self-accelerating decomposition temperature, or SADT.
So these materials, as you can see, can react very violently. Most organic peroxides do not behave in this manner. Hazard class 6 are broken into 2 different divisions, 6.1 and 6.2. These are toxic materials. The word poison can be used synonymously. So this includes chemicals like arsenic and cyanide. 6.2 are infectious materials, materials that contain pathogens. And these are bacteria or viruses that can cause illness in otherwise healthy humans or animals. So examples which are given on the slide includes rabies and HIV. There's certain types of packaging which is required to ship infectious. Radioactive materials give off ionizing radiation. Corrosive materials degrade flesh or degrade metal. Examples of corrosives would be battery acid, caustics, mercury, just to name a few. And class 9 are miscellaneous. These are materials that don't neatly fit into class 1 through 8, but cause problems for transportation. So this would include things like dry ice, magnetized material, environmentally hazardous materials such as those. What I'd like to look at next is looking through the regulations in 49 CFR. The website is www.phmsa.dot.gov. This is the agency which regulates hazardous materials. You click on the Hazmat Safety Community link. Go to Regulations. Try that again. And up pops the menu for 49 CFR. Here we see it's been updated as of August 26, 2010. So we're interested in Part 171, where the definitions are found. This will give us an opportunity to look into the regulations and see exactly what the regulations say about classification. So we go into 171.8, definitions. And looking up alphabetically, class. And here we see where our 9 hazard classes are listed, and they send you to different parts of the book as far as where to look. So if we were interested in class 3, flammable liquids, we would go to 173.120. Going there real quick. There we see class 3 definitions, class 3 packing groups. So we click there under 173.120, and there they give you your definition of a flammable liquid. A material is a liquid having a flash point of not more than 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Packing groups for class 3 follows this table in 173.121, and you can see the 3 packing groups, and you need to know both the flash point and the boiling point to determine what the packing group of a liquid is. And that concludes our discussion of classification of DOT hazardous materials. Thank you.